Welcome back to Coder Squad, where we explore the fascinating world of programming languages. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane to uncover the history of one of the most influential languages in modern computing, C++. C++, born out of necessity, emerged in the late 1970s as an extension of the C programming language. It was created by Bjarne Stroustrup, a Danish computer scientist, who sought to add object-oriented programming features to C, enhancing its capabilities. The first version of C++, known as C with classes, was developed by Stroustrup in 1979. It introduced classes, derived classes, public and private access specifiers, and other features that laid the foundation for object-oriented programming in C++. As C++ gained popularity, efforts were made to standardize the language. In 1998, the first international standard for C++ was published, known as C++ 98. This standardization brought consistency and portability to C++ code across different platforms and compilers. Over the years, C++ has continued to evolve, with new features and enhancements being added in subsequent standards. C++ 11, released in 2011, introduced features like lambda expressions, auto keyword, and range-based for loops, making the language more expressive and powerful. Today, C++ is a versatile and robust language used in various domains, including system programming, game development, embedded systems, and high-performance computing. Modern C++ emphasizes simplicity, performance, and safety, with features like smart pointers, constexpr, and concepts. The legacy of C++ is undeniable. It has influenced countless other programming languages and continues to be a cornerstone of software development. Its versatility and performance make it a popular choice for building complex and scalable systems. And that concludes our journey through the history of C++. From its humble beginnings as an extension of C to its status as a powerhouse in the programming world, C++ has come a long way. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding its history provides valuable insights into the language's evolution and principles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!